Hello, 8th grade science. These are the directions for the Comparative Anatomy of Primates assignment. So if you find that on Google Classroom, let me scroll forever to week 3. There we go. When you open this up, this is a Google Slides assignment, which it used to be way back when I first created a Google Doc. But anyway, what you're going to be doing, I'll let this get loaded up. But really what you're going to be doing is you're going to be telling me some similarities and differences between the human hand and some different primate hands. So if you look at the directions here, you're going to be using these pictures that are going to be provided of a primate's hand and a human hand. The real key here that I would like to point out is you should be specific when you're talking about the bones, and there'll be a resource on the image that'll help you to know what the bones are called. So make sure you're looking at that chart or that image. So if we look at the very first image, right, we have our human hand on the left. This chart will tell you all the different bones, right? So there's 3 bones in your finger: the distal phalange, intermediate, which is where the intermediate and the proximal meet. That's kind of where your knuckle is. We have the metacarpals, which are in your palm, and then the carpals that are in your wrist. On the left is a human hand, on the right is a gorilla hand. And what you have to tell me on slide 4 is 2 ways that they're similar and 2 ways that they're different. So you'll probably be going back and forth between these pictures. And then really the rest of the assignment is just doing the same thing but with different hands. On slide 5, it's a human hand still with the chimpanzee hand. Again, you have that chart available to you. 2 similarities, 2 differences. After that, you're looking at human versus a lemur hand. And then the last one, you have to find. Oh, I missed one. I skipped one. Yeah, orangutan is in there too. I knew I missed one. On slide 11, you got to find your own. So just think of any mammal that you could do another primate that we haven't done. You could think of a squirrel, anything that has fur, really. And then these last 2 slides here, or the last one, sorry, is just your conclusion is how do you think, or how does a human hand and the different primate hands represent a homologous structure? I'm going to add a question here. I know you're probably like, what? I don't want to do another one. But I want you to tell me, who do you think it's related to? So the question's going to be, let me copy this because I like the way. So Miss Under is the one who made this way, and I like it. So this question, what it's going to be is, can I not edit this? There we go. So looking at the different primate hands and human hand, which primate is the most closely related to humans and why? I know you're probably like, this is breathtaking. So what I want you to do is, after doing all these different exercises, looking at the lemur, the orangutan, the gorilla, and the chimpanzee, I want you to tell me which one do you think is the closest relative of humans based on those images, those similarities that you wrote about, and then just why. And I would just really talk about the similarities that you talked about in your writings up here. Okay? So that is what I want you to do. Good luck. Hopefully that all makes sense, and have a great day. Bye.